What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I got a quick little install for us today. Just in the mail, I got my new oil cap replacement filter. What I mean by that is you guys may start seeing these become a little more popular. This is going to be another crankcase pressure relieving system. As you know, I do have the dual oil catch can by Driven Fab, which I absolutely love. Comes with a little siphon that you can suck all the juice out when it gets in there too, from all that extra crank pressure. And I definitely empty it on a normal occasion. So definitely working in that sense, but there's no reason not to do this quick little, I think it's probably like 80 bucks, I think. And this is going to replace directly onto the oil cap here. So let me go ahead and take this off and we'll get put on. Alright, before I do put this in, I do want to explain how this system works. On the very bottom here, you'll see there's a ball inside of this, if you can get a little glimpse on that. There's a ball inside of there. So when this is under normal operating conditions, that ball is down and it's just like a normal cap. But whenever you put, say you hammer it and you get a lot of crank pressure in there, it's going to push that ball up, then relieving some of that pressure out of the top there, on top of the dual oil catch can that we have over here. So this is just another aid to help relieve some of that extra pressure we're definitely hammering in this little motor. So let's go ahead and get to it. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come up here and you're going to notice that this peeling paint is super ghetto right now. So I do apologize, I've got to get this redone. Anyway, so you're going to take your cap off just like normal and put that to the side in the trash if you want, whatever you want, because we're not using it ever again. And then you're going to take your one with the ball in the center. We've already explained how that works, and you're going to screw that right into the top here. This silver part, which screws into your valve cover, separates from the filter, which is pretty sweet. So you can actually replace the filter whenever it gets dirty, which we'll have to see in time how long that takes until it does, need a replacement. But at that point, you can change your color. I could go chrome, stay with white, whatever I wanted to do. But you don't have to buy a whole nother assembly. So that was a pretty cool feature of theirs. And we're in it. Oh God, dude, my lord. To be honest, I've not seen any white ones like this, so I'm pretty pumped about having a white matching one. What a fucking buster, dude.
Yo, Dom! Why'd you bring the buster here?
Cause the buster kept me out of handcuffs!
Busting the mood up, my God. Bam, guys. And we are in it. I hope that was the simplest install you've ever seen in your entire life. You're literally just going to take your old cap off. You're going to throw it over there. Dude. Oh, man. Missed it. By a mile. Now it's gone. Fuck. Alright, anyways. Hope you guys like this install. Super simple. Please click like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll put the link for the actual filter in the bottom description. But yeah, stay tuned for future stuff, guys.